shopmasc.com and welcome to another MASC Minute. So if you are on the market for a new toner and you like cucumbers, then I have the product for you. It's the Brickell Balancing Toner. So as you probably have guessed, it contains cucumbers or an extract of cucumber. So it has a really distinct cucumber smell, which is actually quite refreshing. It's got a little bit of peppermint in it too, so it's got a nice minty undertone to it. So toner would be used after washing your face before applying moisturizer or serums. You could also use it as a refresher throughout the day. Best for normal to oily skin types if you're using it as a toner with a cotton round is what I would suggest. But it would be good for any skin type just as a refresher throughout the day. So as with all Brickell products, they're natural, organic. This particular product, the key ingredients are cucumber or cucumber distillate, which is basically like an extract of cucumber. And what this helps to do is unclog the pores, thereby minimizing pore size. Also contains some witch hazel, which is a great astringent, anti-inflammatory, helps to remove excess buildup of oil on the skin, thereby reducing shine. And it also contains peppermint, which is a great antiseptic and helps to soothe the skin. So overall, it's just going to improve the skin tone, leave your skin feeling super clean, super fresh, and smelling good too. So check it out, shopmasc.com. The Brickell Balancing Toner comes in a travel size as well, just a little baby bottle. And of course, if you're in Vancouver in the store, come give yourself a spritz. Thanks for listening.